Restaurants, one of the businesses that have been hit the hardest by the coronavirus pandemic.
Now, one restaurant owner says no matter what the new state guidelines are, she's put together a set of rules that could help. She spoke with Boston 25 News reporter Alicia Rodriguez about how she's trying to keep her business open.
We are facing a lot of challenges ahead in terms of reopening as a dine-in restaurant.
For more than 2 months, Tracy Chang's team at Pagu Restaurant in Cambridge has been part of a nationwide effort to feed healthcare workers for free called Off Their Plate. Their restaurant was the first to help, and Chang wanted to make sure it was safe.
I create the standard operating procedures for restaurants to, make these meals, make them safely, get their workers to their workplace safely.
Off Their Plate is now in 9 cities using Chang's guidance. Now, with help from several organizations, it's available online. Pagu was able to hire back 4 employees to make the free meals. They then started with takeout and delivery and are now at 7. But Chang realized moving diners inside with restrictions may not be enough to pay the bills and bring back the rest of her staff.
If you look at what other restaurants in Asia and Europe are faced with in terms of reduced capacity from an economical standpoint, that just does not work for restaurants. And so what we're doing at the moment is that we have created a grocery store, a market inside of our restaurant. So we are a business within a business.
Chang says continuing within guidelines, even as they are loosened, will be a challenge. That's why she and others she's working with are sharing what they've learned.
It's time to, innovate, be nimble, be positive, and really be collaborative and share these resources to make sure that our neighbors, our friends in other cities are also going to survive this pandemic.
As of last week, Off Their Plate has raised $3.8 million, and they've delivered a lot of meals to healthcare workers. Right after our interview, Chang and her team delivered 650 meals to healthcare workers. If you're interested in learning more and for a link to that guide that she helped write, it's all on Boston25News.com. Alicia Rodriguez, Boston 25 News.